Hey baby, you. Even when the cash flow, my love still dey overflow. Tonight, now you and me no tension. I see the way you look me. Say you want go do some shopping. Baby girl, my account dey weak. No be say I no want treat you like queen. If love na money, you go dey ball like me or them. But make we plan this shop.
If your pot is looking like this, just know that it's time to change it because it can be dangerous for you. Yes, change it. This is obviously a coated pot. Once you notice that it started cracking, the best thing for you to do is to replace it. So anywho, this is my biggest pot, and I'm this type of person that is always sourcing for bigger pots because my family is big and I'm the person that likes to cook in large quantities. So when I cook, I like to cook in bulk and store in the fridge. I don't have time to be cooking every day. As you can see, this pot is starting to peel, to crack because it's obviously coated, and I feel it's no longer safe to be used, which is why I bought new pots because safety matters a lot. Unbox with me my bigger and safer pots.
Hey baby, got me hooked on you once again.
As someone who cooks almost every other day and who likes to cook in bulk, because again, who has time to be cooking every other day, I went above and beyond to find this pot because this type of pot they do these days is usually very small, or highest 30 cm. I don't know why. Like all those people, they don't have family members in their house. Pots that will just contain only pepper and onions and it's full. So I don't know about them, but for me, I like bigger pots that will serve me my needs. My new pot is a cast iron pot and is also non-coated. It's also non-stick. Yeah, it's non-coated, it is cast iron, it is non-stick. So ta-da! This is a 47 cm non-stick cast iron wok. Is a wok. When I want to make fried rice, stir-fried things, this will come very much in handy. And that does not mean that you cannot also cook like other things, beans or jollof rice. So it will be perfect. It's big and it's very safe to use. So you're not endangering your life using this pot. So it came with this little spoon. You see, they put the iron spoon because it cannot scratch. Yeah, and the handle is very good, very sturdy, and yeah, I love it. Safety matters. Very important. So this is what it looks like. How cute is this? Beautiful. Although it's a bit dented, I guess it's from the packaging or from the delivery, I don't know, but whatever, I'm not bothered. The next one is this one. You guys should hold on. So I got like this mini wok from Timu, and I use this to do like a stir-fried rice. As you can see, the center has already told you what happened. That rice just turned into a smoky rice. Because of that, I bought this one. Because, I mean, why? This is almost as good as, I don't even know. Let's unbox this one and see what is inside. If you are still using coated pots, it's not good though. Cannot go into details now. Whatever poisoning is going to be given out. But then, you could do your research. Stainless steel, cast iron, enamel. Those are the best pots that are safe to use. Now, as you can see, this one is written stainless steel kitchen products, right? Honeycomb frying pan. So this one has a honeycomb design and the stainless steel. So that honeycomb makes it non-stick, which is really amazing. So either you are using a cast iron, a stainless steel, an enamel cooking ware, just to be safe. So this is the cover. It's glass and aluminum. It's really nice. It's heavy, not too much though, but yeah, you can feel the weight. And then so this is a glass, so you can see through what you're cooking, you know, at a time. This came with, I think it came with a steamer also. Yeah, it came with a steamer. I need to remove this box. Oh, it has weight. Oh, this is the manual that it came with. This is the steamer. So this one is 42 inches. But let's look at the steamer. Very big, very heavy, very sturdy, really nice. You can feel the weight. You see? Now this is the main part. Now this design is called the honeycomb design. You can see it very well. So this design makes it non-stick and non-scratch. This one cannot scratch. You can use any type of iron spoon on it. Nothing will happen. You see? Because of the design of the honeycomb. So this is really good. It also has almost the same design at the back, which helps generate go back heat. Okay, so this pot is 42 inches. Came with a steamer in case you want to steam your egg, your whatever. See, perfect. This is really good. I love it. I love it. Yeah, it's good. Let me just keep this here. And last but not the least is this one. I'm gradually transitioning to safety pots because you don't want to be stirring and you're stirring coated lid. Whatever it is that you use to make this pot that is coated, okay? You know, when you are stirring and you notice that the pot has started peeling, it means it's going inside the food, right? Because all the scratches and everything, where did it go to? Is it not when you are stirring the food? It's important we take note of all these things. Because if you can afford it to switch to cast iron, enamel, they are more expensive than all these ones, I know, but then again, our health is more important, right? Because you don't know the one is doing you when you are saying, no, I'm having stomach cramp or I'm feeling headache. You don't know what is actually doing you. This is enamel. This one is enamel, but this is just 30 cm. This one is for something light. Maybe noodles or, you know, when you want to do smaller stuff. This one is pretty small. So like all those people that, why is he doing kure kure kure? Why is he acting as if it's broken? Oh? Are you sure the delivery people, they have not spoiled this thing? But anyway, this is how it is. This is like a small bowl, but it's a pot, 30 cm. 30 cm is really small. Like this is what the food influencers use to make all those food you guys see. It's a size, it's really small. How many persons is this thing now gonna feed? Like the food you made from this small pot now, how many persons you go feed? It's too small. It's too small. Now no get family. Now no get la familia. Like how? It's too small now. This is like, this will be enough for only 2 persons in my house. But yeah, this is what enamel looks like, in case you don't know. Whew. But I'm happy with the purchase because they are all good. I love it. I love the sizes. This is 42 and the work 47 inches work. How una see am? How una see am? Health is well to safety first. Safety first to see. If you are not using enamel, stainless steel, cast iron, please go and get it because use this opportunity to check your pots, to check them. You see this one? This is like my very best pot in my house. Like it's my biggest. I can use it for anything. But then again, you can see the inside of it. You know what it looks like. Now all these scratches you're seeing here, obviously the pot is what? Peeling. It's scratched, it's peeling. So all those peels, where they go? Where is it going? All the serene happening inside here now. Where is it entering? Is it not our food? Anyways, happy Easter. Change your pots. I cannot wait to use them. Like fried rice coming through, coming through, coming through. You can even steam with this one. Coming through. Hey, hey, I talk am say this one they do somehow. See the handle. I think from all the heating up and down, the handle is now shaking. See? Is it not glue that they used to hold this thing? I beg oh. I just got this pot, but then again the hand is shaking. Are you sure it's gonna be safe? I just unboxed it, but this is what I found. Is it safe? Is it safe? Is it gonna be safe to use? Is it gonna be safe? Well, all done.
Baby, on the first day I see you, I know say now you no be joke. Now real love with the talk. You enter my life like morning light, stuffed and warm, you make everything right. Every smile where you give now healing. Now you they make this heart still they beating. You know ask for much, you just give love. Even when I fall short, you rise above. You be my peace, my joy, my home. With you I no ever feel alone. You be my forever, my only one. Even when the rain fall, you be my sun. If love not music, you be the song. I go sing you till this life done. You be my forever, my shining star. No matter where you be, I know they far. My heart don't choose, I know go change. Now you I go love till the very end. I remember the nights we did talk till dawn. No money that time, but love they strong. Now we they build step by step. Every moment with you I the key. You believe in me when nobody see. You they wipe my tears, stand by me. Waiting I go do without you here. Now your name my heart they wear.